In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register on Pocket Option. Step-by-step guide. We'll go from finding the official website to creating your account with simple tips to keep the process smooth and secure. First, open your web browser and search for Pocket Option. In the results, click the official pocketoption.com link. Before you proceed, confirm you're on the real site by checking for the secure lock icon in your address bar and making sure the URL begins with HTTP. Taking a moment to verify this helps you avoid look-alike pages and protects your information during sign-up. On the homepage, you'll see the registration form. Start by entering your email address in the email field. Use an email you can access easily since the platform may send important notices and, in some cases, verification prompts. Take a second to double-check for typos. A small mistake here can prevent you from receiving confirmations or recovering your account later. Next, create your password. Choose something strong and unique. A mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols works well. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites, as that increases risk. If you use a password manager, this is a perfect time to generate and save a complex password securely. Skip saving credentials on shared or public devices to keep your account protected. If you have a promotional code, enter it in the promo field. This is optional and may unlock bonuses or special terms, but only use codes from trusted sources. Before moving on, check the box indicating you've read and accepted the platform's terms and privacy policy. It's worth scanning these documents so you understand the rules, potential fees, and how your data will be handled. When everything looks correct, click the sign up button to create your account. Follow any on-screen prompts the site provides after registration. If you prefer, you can also register using your Google account by selecting the Google option on the same page. This method can be faster and uses your existing login, but you'll be authorizing the platform to access basic account information. So choose the option you're most comfortable with, and that's the full registration flow. Keep your login details private, consider enabling extra security features once you're in your account settings, and always sign in from the official website. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step while you create your Pocket Option account.